Today we are going to solve the SQL coding question in LeetCode Sales Analysis 3. Here you can see the table name product, which have the columns product ID, product name, unit price. Another table name sales, which have the columns seller ID, product ID, buyer ID, sale date, quantity and price. Now write a solution to report the products that were only sold in the first quarter of 2019, that is between 2019 January and 2019 31st March inclusive. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Here they give the example. Input is product table, product ID, product name, unit price, and sales table, and then output. Okay. So first understand what the question is actually asking. We are given two tables. Okay. Product, which contains product details, and sales, which contains when and how products were sold. The requirement is to find those products that were only sold in the first quarter of 2019. 2019. Meaning between 1 January 2019 and 31st March 2019, and importantly, they should not be sold outside this date range at all. So if a product has even one sale after 31st March 2019, it should be excluded. Now let's build the solution step by step. We start with select p dot product ID, p dot product name. Here the question asks us to return product ID and product name, so we directly select these columns from the product table aliased as P. Okay. Now from product P, we are using the product table as the base because the final output should include product details, not just IDs from sales, where P dot product ID in. So simply this line means we only want those products whose IDs satisfy a certain condition. That condition will be defined inside the sub query. Basically we are filtering products. Okay. So select product ID from cells where sale ID where sale date between 2019 01 and 2019 March 31. So this part selects all product IDs that were sold within the first quarter of 2019, which directly matches the condition in the question, sold between 1 January 2019 and 31st March 2019. But this is not enough because some products might also be sold outside this range, so we must exclude those. That's why we add and product ID not in. This ensures that we remove any product that appears in the following sub query. Okay, so select product ID from cells where sale date is smaller than 2019 January 1 or sale date is greater than 2019 March 31. So this subquery finds all products that were sold outside the first quarter of 2019. The condition includes dates before January 1, 2019 and after March 31, 2019. If a product appears here, it means it violates the only sold in Q1 condition. So combining both conditions, first subquery ensures the product was sold in Q1 and second subquery ensures the product was not sold outside Q1. Finally, we close both subqueries and not putting now. Let's get the run this cell. Let's run this code. So here accepted. This solution perfectly matches the question. It returns only those products that were sold in the first quarter of 2019 and never sold outside that period. Thank you.